Hello dear student, this is Kritika Singh. So today I am going to teach you a topic from chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current of class 10th. So we are going to study today what are magnetic field lines. First we need to understand that what is magnetic field. Just imagine that you have a magnet in your hand. Now you have placed that magnet on a table. If you bring any of the iron nail towards that magnet, you will find that the magnet will attract that iron nail. It means that magnet is having some boundary up to which it can attract iron pieces, and after that boundary it will not do any effect on those iron nails. So if you will take the iron nail away from the magnet, a time will come when that magnet will stop attracting that iron nail. So there is a region or a space or a boundary around a magnet up to which a magnet can influence iron nails, or it can apply or exert force on those iron nails. Now this space is known as magnetic field. Now this magnetic field is represented by magnetic field lines. For that there is an experiment. Just imagine that you have a cardboard. You have placed a magnet on this cardboard, and then you have sprinkled iron filings on this cardboard. So when you sprinkle these iron filings on this cardboard, you will find that these iron filings will start arranging themselves in a pattern. You can see that this pattern here. In this pattern you will see that the field lines are more crowded near poles and are less at center. And these field lines, if you will put a compass needle at any point on these lines, you will see that will represent the direction of north. So you will find that the direction of magnetic field is from north to south. So outside the magnet, the field lines goes from north to south, and then inside the magnet, when it reaches south, it again comes back to north. So inside bar magnet we can say that the field line is uniform. And now we have to see properties of these field lines. The first property is that two field lines will never intersect each other. You can see here we have considered that the two field lines are intersecting with each other. So when they intersect, when we'll keep compass needle here, this compass needle will point in two direction and it will show to north, which is not possible. So two field lines can never intersect each other, because if they intersect, then we will get two direction of magnetic field, which is not possible. The second property is that the field lines are more crowded near pole and they are less towards center. You can see in diagram, the more lines and the more iron filings have arranged themselves at corner and less are at center. So this is the second property. The third one is that field lines are close curve. You can see in this diagram that the field lines outside the magnet are going from north to south, and inside the magnet they are coming from south to north. So this is the third property of magnetic field line. Now in next topic or in next lecture we will continue the chapter. Thank you.